Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Simply Fabulous, where I like to discuss things about luxury, lifestyle, a little bit of fashion, and try to sprinkle in a few tips or advice that I've learned along the way and just kind of want to impart or share with you guys. Let's get into today's video. I have an unboxing here, so if you're interested, stay tuned. I have a new unboxing from Fendi today. We're doing a Fendi unboxing. Now, what I purchased was some earrings from Fendi. I've been actually eyeing these earrings for a while. And the funny thing is, so kind of like some other brands, Fendi's all about like pairing items from their collection. So you only kind of get one. And even when it comes to earrings, like some of the earrings that they have, they'll only like to sell one earring. And if you want another earring to go in your other ear, because most people have two ears, you had to purchase another earring. So the earrings that I purchased, again, only came with one. And because I have two ears, I purchased another one. So I think that's their whole thing, is like, hey, you might like this earring in one size, and then you might want a different earring from the same brand in another size or another finish. All right, let me open this for you guys. All right, so again, this is the box from Fendi. And then open her up. A little tissue there that says Fendi. Oh, I guess not tissue. It's actually really nice. It's like a nice felt fabric. I guess you could use it to wipe down your jewelry, which is nice. And it is the, let me get the name of it. Okay, like I said, it's one earring. I want to say it's called Olak earring. I'm sure you see the name in the description, but in case I didn't write it, it is called the, I'm gonna butcher this, but like they have the full name here, so it's Orecchino Oval Grande. Hold on. Yep, Grande Metallo Oro Soft earring. Let me just show it to you. And I'll put the name of it on the screen, because yeah. But this is, let me bring it up closer. This is the earring. It has the two F's, that signature Fendi F that they have, and it's a hoop. So it's one of Fendi's like double F long hoops, and I'm sure you might have seen this design. If you have not, now you are. And as I said, I got two of them because they originally just sell you one of these earrings. Now they do have these earrings in like a smaller hoop size. Compared to this, it's like this one looks huge and giant to it, but it's like a really tiny hoop earring that you can wear. It kind of hugs your earlobe a little bit. So that comes with two earrings, and then that comes in actual like silver, the gold, and then it comes with the gold with like the pave, the crystals on it. And then this is the other one. Again, it's gonna be the same earring, but I'll just open it for you guys. Take it out. And there she is. There's the earring. So again, when you purchase this, you only get one. So if you want to for both of your ears, if you want to wear two at the same time, you might want to purchase another one. Or again, the whole point of these earrings from Fendi is for you can purchase one and then purchase another one. Like if you want to purchase two of them, you can. If you want to purchase one and like another Fendi style earring, you can. So whatever your preference is. So yeah, that's what I got. I want to say for these, I did try them on like in the store. It does have like a little bit of weight to it, but I can't say, you know, it's preference when it comes to weight in earrings. If you like an earring that's like has weight, or dislike an earring that has a little bit of weight to it, then you might not like this. But again, weight can be relevant to the person or subjective to the person who's wearing it. So to me, this might be, I can probably feel it, but someone else is like, I don't feel it at all. Or they can be like, this is so heavy, I feel like it's just dragging my ears down. Even when I put it in, it doesn't like pull on my earring, because there are some earrings that I've worn where you'll see it like it has weight to it, but the part of the ear that's pierced, I know like the whole, sometimes when you wear like heavier earrings, it kind of weighs it down a little bit. So for this, I just can feel the weight of it, but it's not like, for me, it's not like pulling down on my earring. I mean, it's not pulling down on my ear when I wear it. These are the Fendi, I know they're called Olak earrings, Olak earring, because you only get one. But again, I got two, and I just think, you know, they're beautiful. I had to tell you that these are costume jewelry, so don't think like, oh, okay, I'm getting these real gold earrings. No, I didn't get them from the fine jewelry portion from Fendi. I'm not sure if they have fine jewelry. They might. I just never have purchased from them before. But again, I got this in the costume jewelry section. Those are my Fendi earrings. If you'd like to know more about it, like how they wear when I wear them, how it feels all day, or how I style them or wear the earrings, let me know in the comments, and I can definitely do a video of like how I styled and wore the earrings, a review of kind of just having them for a while or wearing them all day, because sometimes there's earrings that you wear all day, and for me, I have to be very like cautious because I do have very sensitive ears, so I can't wear all costume jewelry just because after a while it does irritate my ears, and I had to take it out. And when you pay money like these for the Fendi earrings, you want to be able to wear it as long as you would like without any irritation. So like, that's the point. You want to wear your earrings without any irritation and for as long as you like. So if you want to know more about how it worked for me, what I wore it with, or what I plan to style it with, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you like this video. Do you have these earrings? If you do, let me know how do you like them? How do you wear them? Do you only have one? I think that's cool when I see like people like, oh yeah, I just got one because I just want to wear one earring. Or I mix my metals, because I know Fendi's really good at like providing something in gold and then something in silver. So do you mix match your metals? Let me know in the comments, because I would really like to know how you style it, how you wear it. Do you have these on your wish list, or this is something that you want to get? Just like to know more about you, and the only way I'll know more about you if you leave a comment. I read the comments, I respond to people's comments. This is today's video. If you liked today's video, again, just leave a thumbs up for me, subscribe to the channel, and get notified. You can get notified when I drop new videos by hitting the notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Again, thank you for watching. Until then, have a great day. Bye.